Hi guys, what's up? This is Technology Technical Engineering Service. I'm first time check this package air conditioner big lot, and then what's problem? Properly check the electricity, the compressor, section discharge, overpipe, and all the broken fan motor 6 pieces. Lot of now KSA. I'm Tanjit Hussain from Bangladesh. And then run this now not working. Properly check and the properly phase high voltage 3-phase. Magnetic contactor separate. The big compressor, fan motors, receiver. The wiring dangerous critically. Magnetic contactor and lot capacitor, capacity, thermostat, then big wire lot, high voltage cable, three pieces compressor,